Hello, my name is William Satchell. I'm a Deputy District Attorney in the Homicide Unit at the Sacramento County District Attorney's Office. As a homicide prosecutor, my job is in the unfortunate event in which someone takes another person's life and it's unlawful. It's assigned to one of many of the Deputy District Attorneys here in the Homicide Unit. We handle the cases vertically, which means that when we're assigned a case, we see it from the beginning to the very end. When we get a case, first thing we do is we read the reports, watch videos, do any supplemental investigation that we need to do, re-interview witnesses. Homicide trials, just because of their nature and because there's so much at stake, generally take a little bit longer than a non-homicide case to see it from beginning to end, several months usually. And of course, the family of the victims have to go through it step by step, and it's somewhat painful, so we try to prepare them for that. After we've prepared and done all the supplemental investigation, we take it to a preliminary hearing and then ultimately to a jury trial. A good number of homicide cases actually go to jury trial because there's so much at stake, and generally people who are charged with murder don't have much incentive to plead guilty because they're usually facing life in prison depending on the circumstances. So we usually will do a jury trial, and 12 members of the community will look at the evidence, listen to the testimony, and generally make a decision about whether we've proven our case beyond a reasonable doubt. And then from there it goes to sentencing, and the judge who heard the trial is usually in charge of the sentencing, unless it's a death penalty case, in which case the jury will make the determination as to the appropriate punishment.